Your pain is painful and it's tearing me down. I hear glasses breaking as I sat up in my bed, and I told that you didn't mean those nasty things you say. You fight about money, about me and my brother, and this I come home to. This is my shelter. It ain't easy going up World War III, never knowing what love would be. You'll see, I don't want love to destroy me like it has done my family. Can we work it out? Can we be a family? Promise I'll be better. Mommy, I'll do anything. Can we work it out? We will be a family. Promise I'll be better. Daddy, please don't leave. Daddy, please stop yelling. I can't stand this sound. Make mama stop crying, 'cause I need you around. My mama, she loves you. No matter what she says, it's true.